What's up, guys? Let's rush and get inside the vehicle and start it and go. No, guys. Mel here from Southsideboystyle. That's something you should never do. Never just get in your vehicle and put it in gear and go. Start it and go. This is the proper way. Out of 420 videos, guys, I get asked this question a lot. A lot of times I get asked the question, what is the right proper procedure for starting up a vehicle? Well, I mean, there's probably 1,000 different answers to that question. But what I do, and I've never had a problem with a fuel pump or anything, or starving oil or engine cutting off because of that. But I'm going to show you what I do. When I get in a vehicle, first thing I do, I turn the key forward. I wait a minute. I just wait, not a minute, I wait a few seconds, then I start it. And the vehicle starts. And I will wait just maybe in the summertime. In spring, summer, and fall, I'll wait maybe a minute or two, and then I will go on my very merry way. It's 24 degrees here today. And I'll start traveling. In the winter time, I will do the same procedure. I will get in the vehicle, I will turn the key forward, I will wait a few seconds just for the pump to put the fuel up to the injectors, and then I'll start it up. But I'll wait about 5 minutes. That's it. I'll wait about 5 minutes, and then you're good to go. That gives time for the cold oil to get up around places that it needs to go, so you're not hurting the engine. That's what I do, okay? So guys, I hope that helps on how to properly start your vehicle. And if you like this video, you can leave me a like, and you could subscribe if you wish to do so, or you could leave me thanks, which is also greatly appreciated and helps the channel. So see you on the next one.